I want to be rich! Rich, I say! I want to play football for the Toronto Argonauts. I want to live in a big mansion and sleep with women all day, every day. We all want stuff, but very few of us get what we want out of life. But there is a way. Ninh explains, the art of goal setting, achieve your dreams today. Many people have dreams and things that they want to achieve with their life. And if this describes you, listen very carefully. The reason why most of us don't achieve our goals might shock you. The reason why is because most of us haven't made a decision to go out and get it. What? What? You what? Yeah, that's right. People want stuff, but most of the time it's a wishy-washy thought in their heads that they're not actually serious about achieving. They don't actually want to do the work for it. They just want it to land in their laps. And some people just don't know how to go about achieving it. The world is full of opportunities to get what you want. So now it's time to get serious and start achieving your goals and dreams today. Number 1, decide what it is that you want. Many people go through life without setting a single goal for themselves. You may know one or two of them. They're the ones that drift through life. You know, they don't really do anything, they just kind of go with the flow. But they're the kind of people that will look back on their life and think, probably should have done something with my life. So don't be one of them. Decide what it is that you want. Women! Number 2, write it down on paper and make it visible. Once you've decided what it is, write it down on paper and put it somewhere that you can see every day. If it helps, cut out pictures, stick it to your goal, Photoshop yourself in them, I don't care. But the important thing here is to get a clear picture in your mind every day. Number 3, work backwards, split it up into major steps. You can't achieve your goal in one step. Boy, that'd be easy, right? I mean, if it was that easy, everyone would do it. So what I want you to do is work backwards and break it down into the major steps that you'll need in order to achieve your goal. Number 4, split those major steps into minor steps. Now it's time to make a list of how to achieve each one of those major steps. Literally go to each section now and create a bit of a shopping list, a little bit of a task list about what to do in order to achieve that major step. Once you've broken it down, you should have a clear map as to how to achieve this goal. Number 5, begin working on these things every day. I'm not kidding, guys. Start working on them today. Start trying to tick those things off your list one by one. Not tomorrow, not next week, today. You might have to change some of them as time goes by, but the end goal shouldn't really change. It's not going to happen on its own, and you're really going to have to put some effort into this in order to achieve whatever it is that you want. If you manage to tick off every single task on every single major step, there's no reason why your goals shouldn't come into reality. The real question is, how badly do you want it? If you like this video, please be sure to like, share and subscribe. Download my free ebook from my website because annotations don't work on YouTube anymore, and follow me on social media. On a closing note, guys, let me know what your goals are. Type them down in the comment section and let's try and help each other achieve our goals. Let's make this a channel whereby dreams do come true. I want to sleep in a... I don't want to sleep in a mansion. Yeah, no, I do. Start trying to... I want to live in a big mansion and sleep with women. Oh, I just spat on myself. Oh, this t-shirt's really itchy. Would actually be pretty cool to play football for the Argonauts. So if you guys are watching and if you want somebody with no football experience whatsoever,